Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Jay Perry. I'm the drummer for a punk band called The Relics. We hail out of Bergen County, New Jersey, USA. And I have decided to go with Collision Drumsticks. 5A, nylon tip, nothing fancy. Been playing drums for about 35 years. Within those 35 years, I've used numerous drumsticks, but for about the past 10 to 15 years, I was switching off between Vic Firth and Pro Mark. Vic Firths would break like crazy. Pro Marks, they'd break, but not as much. So for these, I've had this one pair for probably about a month now. Been played about 3 to 5 times a week. Still feel brand new, not even worn down, to be honest with you. And the weight and the balance of these sticks, I love them. Absolutely love them. I couldn't have asked for a better stick. Once again, Collision Drumsticks. Number one. Anything else? All right. Next, I'm going to play one of our songs called Soapbox. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Talk a lot, but don't say anything. Bold statements, never pulled without impact. You don't really not on your soapbox. It's all just a joke. And this that as you as you want. Say as you wish. Something never clear. Something is all I do. Something is hard to do. Something I always do. Pedestal starts to sway, bend each and every way. No boxing, caving in, just a matter of where and when. Faceless pose, make us really great, not much thought. Then we can say truth or lie. Quick to judge, we will never look. No friendship, so spineless and negative, oh so kind. Something more here. Something never clear. Something I always do. Something is hard to do.